Hi, and welcome to Miss L Creations. Today, we are going to use some of these Beebeecraft wishing. Oh my goodness. We are going to use some of these glass wishing bottles. Oh my goodness. If I don't break them all. They're just really cute little jars. Um, and I am going to make little fruit jars out of them, or little fruit bottles. Super easy to do, and they are absolutely adorable. So I have in this box or bottle, in this bigger bottle, I have lots of different kinds of fruit, and they are just little like miniature. I don't know why I dumped all of those out. I didn't. It's 3 o'clock in the morning, so I'm getting ready to go to work, or getting around to go to work. Good Lord have mercy. All right, so we have lots of different things. We've got dragon fruit, we've got strawberries, we've got um, oranges and apples and limes and all kinds of different stuff. So what I want to do, might as well dump out those last two, huh? I'm gonna go ahead and just take off. They all come with this cute little cork. And we're just gonna put some UV resin in this, because if not, these things tend to float and they'll all end up at the top of our bottle. And I don't want that to happen. So we're just gonna add some UV resin down into our bottle. Fill it about 3/4 of the way full or so. Tilt it to the side and try and get rid of that little bubble right there. There we go. And I'm actually there we go. Now they're gone. And then I'm just going to put one style of fruit in these. So we're going to do strawberries in this one. So there's a little slice of a strawberry. And the chances are pretty good that you're going to incorporate bubbles into this. I mean, you're dabbing in and out of this. There's not a lot of hope of not putting bubbles into it. But if you go nice and slow, maybe you can help limit most of those bubbles, hopefully. And I'm not looking for any kind of rhyme or reason. I'm just adding them in there. And then there's a whole strawberry, so we'll add that one in there. So we'll have an assortment of different kinds of strawberries. Wipe off my little stick here. And then I probably got a little extra resin than I actually need, so I'm going to get some of that out of there. I'm just going to squeeze my bottle, put it in the resin, and then suck it out. And then that just takes out some of that excess. I'm gonna go ahead and take my cork, make sure everything's, I wish I could show you the sides. Hopefully you can see that without me losing my resin here. And so they've fallen to the bottom. So what I want to do is I'm going to use this, and I'm going to just bring them back up to the top so that my bottle looks like it's nice and full. Put them all back up where I want them. There we go. And you got to move pretty quick because you don't want those to fall again. So I'm just going to put the cap on it. And then I'm going to throw it under the UV light. And there we have it. Our little strawberry jar. Or jar of strawberries. Isn't that cute? And then we'll go through and we'll do it in some different fruits. So I think next we will do, I have to use this to block my light. So I have my new light. I have said that's for the last several videos. I'm trying to milk this one as long as I can. It looks like I got quite a few watermelons. So let's do watermelon, and then apples and lemons. I got some oranges and some limes. We'll just make up several. So I'm going to put you on a fast forward. I'm not going to make you watch this in real time, and we'll be back as soon as I'm done. So I got our little jars from a company called Beebeecraft, and they do have a website at beebeecraft.com.
And if you are a YouTuber and would like to get free products from them, all you have to do is have at least 100 subscribers, and you can apply for the opportunity to get free products from them, like these little jars. I will leave the link in the description below if you're interested. It tells you exactly how to do it.
There we have it. And I've gone ahead and added a eye screw to the top of the orange so that it can be hooked to a pendant, and there's the eye screws that I'll put in the top of all of them. And they can either be used for pendants or keychains or just whatever you want to. So I'll put these up in my store, and you'll have your choice whether you want to turn it into a keychain or a pendant. And I will do that for you before I ship it out if you're interested in one of those. These would be really cute in Easter baskets, or as end of the year gifts for your kiddos, or just lots of different things. So thank you so much for joining us today. I appreciate you being with us. If you enjoyed the video, please give us a like, hit the subscribe, and leave us a comment below. Let me know which one's your favorite, and we will catch you next time. Thanks again for being here. Take care. Bye-bye.